Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Commerce and Management Hub with SK. So here's the answer key of the previous year question paper 1 which we have discussed in the earlier video. So we promised you that we will provide you previous year question papers and the next day we will reveal the answer key. So here's the answer key of that paper. You can match the answers and you can check whether your answers are wrong or right or how much percentage you get. And now in today's video, we will disclose that what are the other tricks that you can follow if you want to qualify your NET or JRF. So trick 2 is study one part of the syllabus daily. See, if you want to cover the entire syllabus slowly and steadily, it can be done if you will divide the entire work into smaller parts. If you want to study the entire syllabus in one go, it will not be possible and it will be difficult to you and you will not be able to revise the entire syllabus. But if you will divide the syllabus into smaller parts and one by one you will cover the entire topics, then it will be very helpful to you and you will be able to understand more and more. For example, like in commerce there are many subjects like economics, HRM, management, accounting. So if at day 1 you study economics, at day 2 you study accounts, at day 3 you study HRM. So in this way, if one by one you study one part of the syllabus or one topic or one particular subject in one day, it will be very helpful to you. So trick 3 is make flowcharts so that when you want to do the quick revision, it will be very helpful to you. Rather than studying the entire chapter and writing headings one by one, then understanding them, better to make flowcharts. For example, if I want to study demand analysis topic of economics, what I will do, I will study the entire chapter that in demand I have to study what is demand and what is quantity demanded. Then I have to study factors affecting demand, then law of demand, its exceptions, causes. So rather than revising it like this, I'll make a flowchart that there will be the chapter demand and under demand there will be determinants, there will be law of demand, there will be demand and quantity demanded. Under determinants, these will be the subpoints. So if in this way I will make the flowchart, whenever I will want to revise this particular topic at the time of the exam or before the exam, then it will be very easy for me. So guys, these are the tricks which you can follow if you want to qualify NET. Firstly, study only a single part or one subject in a day, and secondly, try to make flowcharts. It will help you to have a better understanding of the entire subject. So that's all from our side. I hope you like the video. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe. Give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.